Since 2021, the nonprofit Reflo has been building outdoor discovery carts to support outdoor learning, site beautification, and gardening activities at schools, nature centers, and botanical gardens. These carts come equipped with outdoor education materials, making it easier to conduct lessons outside the traditional classroom. The carts were created in collaboration with local high school students and guided by both formal and informal educators. Their features and materials have since been refined through feedback from educators and field testing conducted in local schools and Reflo's own environmental education programs. The carts are designed to fit through standard doorways and elevators and include sturdy steel handles with grips on both sides for easy maneuvering indoors and out. They feature heavy-duty 6-inch swivel wheels that can rotate 360 degrees, allowing the cart to move smoothly over various surfaces. Out of the 4 swivel wheels, 2 have brake locks while the other 2 do not. The front door panels showcase laser-engraved images of native plants and tree species, along with space to include the organization's name and potential sponsors. These panels may be customized to suit your specific needs. The trim pieces are made from reclaimed urban wood, making each cart unique, environmentally friendly, and locally sourced. Additionally, the cart includes a pull-out drawer that can serve as a podium, standing desk, or provide extra display space for activity materials. Each cart comes with a 4-foot adjustable table for organizing supplies and features multiple writing surfaces, including a chalkboard and magnetic dry erase areas on the lid and on the interior door panels. Beneath the lid are compartments for paper assignments, lesson plan binders, and dry erase markers. A laser-engraved support beam featuring native tree leaves and urban animal prints offers a tactile element and opportunities for curriculum connections. The Outdoor Discovery Cart is designed to kickstart your outdoor teaching adventure, providing both consumable supplies and reusable materials for a variety of activities. Inside, you'll find 8 heavy-duty bins, 4 small and 4 large. 2 bins of each size are stocked with tools and materials to promote environmental education and stewardship, while the remaining bins are empty, allowing you to customize them with your own supplies to support activities at your school or nature center. Each bin is labeled to indicate its general contents, and the bins designated for customization have a space for you to label the items you choose to include. All bins feature latches to securely close the lids, providing added stability and ease of carrying. They stack neatly and also have a space where you can add a padlock for extra security if desired. Our team uses the materials in bin 1 and 2 in almost every outdoor lesson we lead. The materials within these bins are great to support open-ended inquiries and observations. They encourage a child's curiosity and provide students with a choice as they explore and learn about the natural world. Bin 1 includes science toolkits. There are 30 bags that each contain a magnifying glass, a paintbrush, a ruler, a tape measurer, tweezers, and an insect viewer. Bin 2 has record-keeping supplies for students to take notes and create drawings while exploring. It is equipped with 30 whiteboard clipboards and a pack of dry erase markers. Bin 5 is the maintenance bin. It has tools for gardening, trash cleanup, and others to maintain green spaces and gardens. There are 2 garbage picker-uppers, 6 pairs of adult-sized rawhide gloves, 2 hand pruners, 2 weeding tools, and 5 paper bags to use for composting yard waste. Bin 6, the writer's block, has writing utensils to support outdoor learning. There are dry erase markers to use on the magnetic metal surfaces, sidewalk chalk to use on the blackboard surface, and 30 packs of colored pencils. We also include a bottle of Expo cleaner and dry erasers to clean off the surfaces. Bin 3, 4, and 7 are left empty for you to add supplies that fit your needs. Bin 8 is shipped with magnets to use on the cart's magnetic surfaces. There are clip magnets for holding documents or displaying materials, and nature-themed magnets in a variety of sizes. After placing the magnets on the cart, this bin is available for your customization with materials of your choosing. The cart also comes with 5 laminated activity idea sheets to inspire outdoor learning. Each sheet outlines simple steps and suggests materials for the activities. For more information, visit refloh2o.com.